Yo, what's going on, everyone? So, welcome back. Today's gonna be the trade recap from 25th of March 2026. It's been a long time. It's been a long time, I know. I just recorded this video and I had to record it again just because I didn't have my audio set, which is annoying, but I'll do it again. It's fine. Since my last video, I was able to pass my first eval, and I'm on a funded now, and I'm three winning days away from a payout. So gonna be focused on that. Gonna be focused on following my rules, executing my model, and yeah. Um, coming into the morning. Uh, wait. Yeah. So coming. So yeah, I don't remember what I was saying, but yeah, pretty much I took four trades today. Ended up green, made $412.5. So gonna be going over the four trades that I ended up taking. Um, so um, the first trade that I took was I wanted to be done a little earlier today, so I traded pre-market, and I was bullish because we had equal highs above and we were delivering off of an hourly. So you guys can see 820 rolls around. We we manipulate, so we have these equal highs above. We manipulate lower into this hourly gap, and we got this 1 minute long here, so I took that. I thought the break even was free because it was the 5 minute gap. My stop loss was below the body slow, and I lost $100 on it. And then I took the 2 minute. Oops. I took the 2 minute. It was a nice play here. Looking back in hindsight, I was targeting the high all the way up there. The equal highs, and I was gonna go break even at the 5. But looking back in hindsight, this probably should have just been my TP. I should have just TP there. And yeah, I got a little bit greedy, gotta be honest. Should have just TP'd for 1 to 1.767 and would have been a nice play. And then I also added to the position. Let me use the bar replay. So I added to the position once we got these 1 minute that was delivering from the 3 minute there. Delivering from the 3 minute, we got the 1 minute inverse there because I pretty much knew that if this didn't work out, then I was probably gonna get stopped out on my trade, my initial one. So I took another entry here, and then my entry was around here, and I literally got break even by itself there. And then I took this 1 minute re-entry here, but I just closed it early for $80 because it was getting too close to open, and I wanted to just be patient and wait for a better opportunity. So one $100 loss, break even, $80 win. So I went into market open with being down $20. So which is not real that much. So it's fine, yeah, to me. Um, Maybe yeah, I got greedy, sending my take profit all the way up there, but it is what it is. So coming into open, what was I looking at? We had equal highs above or relative equal lows. So I wanted the Judas swing either up to take shorts or down to take longs, right? That's pretty much what I was looking at. So um, 930 opens high, doesn't manipulate into anything of significance, right? 930 opens high. We leave every single one of these lows behind. And what do we get? We get an SMT with our external draws, our external buy side liquidity. So what do we have here? We have a 30-minute intermediate term high, which is equal with this high, resting inside because it's intermediate term high because it's a high resting inside of a gap. Right, so we had that and we manipulated higher into it right there. We put in a bearish external SMT with ES, right? Bearish external SMT there, and pretty much all I was looking for there was a short. So Once we put in that SMT, we were still holding this 50-minute gap on NQ, so we still had a higher time frame PD array delivery. So we got this 1 minute inversion right here. I took a position short. My stop loss was above the high, and pretty much I got saved by this rejection block here. So we held CE of that. Powell needed to get his entry. We held CE, rejection block saved me, and then we put in the CIZ. We got the order block there, and then my break even was at the unfilled 5 minute gap here. So that unfilled 5 minute gap right there, I went break even there because I was anticipating it to be an inversion for value gap, and I wanted to target all the way down to the equals, but I ended up closing early here because I trailed my stop and I didn't want to be greedy, so I already got a decent portion of the move, so I just took my profits and I just logged off for the day. I already showed you guys in the beginning, I ended up the day green for $112.50, um, so that was pretty much it. We had this nice solar R here, we had one, no, 1, 2 relative equals, 930 doesn't manipulate into anything of significance, so that was beautiful, and yeah, I pretty much uh, bought back all the way down there. Could I have held on to here? Yeah, maybe, but I took my portion. 2.11 risk to reward, so I'm pretty happy about that. So this is the executions. I sold right there at the close, and then I bought it all lower right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and yeah, I am probably gonna be live trading tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, peace.